Okay, good morning everyone. For this problem, we are going to compute for the interquartile range and the quartile deviation. So to recall, the formula for the interquartile range is defined by the third quartile minus the first quartile, and the quartile deviation is equal to the difference of third and first quartile divided by 2, or just simply interquartile range divided by 2. Okay, before we are going to compute for the first quartile and the third quartile, we are going to arrange the given data set in ascending order. So we will start with the smallest. We have 18. So we have 2 18s. Next we have 19, and we know we have 1 2 3 19s, right? Next we have the 20s. How many 20s do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have 6 20s. Then the next one, we have the 21s. How many 21s do we have? 1 2. We have 1 and 2, so 21. The next one is 25, and the next one is 31. Let's check if we have 15 observations all in all. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, now let us now compute for the first quartile. To compute for the first quartile, we are going first to determine the term of the first quartile. So the term of Q1 will be okay. So we have a total of how many terms? We have 15. So first quartile is 1/4, right? So times, or the first fourth, or just simply 1/4. So we have 15 times 1/4. So 15 times 1/4, that is 3.75. So we have the third term. Since we have an extra decimal 0.75, so we will take the fourth term. Okay, even if it's 3.01, 3.02, no, as long as there's extra decimal point, we will take the next term. Okay, so our first quartile will be, so we will count, no, 1 2 3, then take the next term. So we have 19. So the first quartile now, first quartile is equal to 19. Okay, how about for the third quartile? So for the third quartile, so we are going to determine the term of the third quartile. So to do that, we are going to, that's the third fourths, right? Quartile, third fourths. So 15 times 3/4, that would be 15 times 3, it's 45 divided by 4, we have 11 25. So 11.25, we have an extra 0.25, so we are going to take the 12th term. Okay, so we are going to take the 12th term. So the third quartile now will be, so we will count, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Take the next term, 21. So third quartile is equal to 21. Thus the interquartile range is equal to 21 minus 19, which is equal to 2. Then our quartile deviation is interquartile range divided by 2, so we have 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. And that's it.